This software create LOD, level of details. It's very important in game engine, Unity, Unreal Engine. For example, you can see we have very high dense model. If you, for example, in game engine, you are near to this model, you have to see the details. But if you go further and far more far up the object, for example, like something like that, and you cannot see all of the details, the software decimate its polygon, reduce the polygon to your engine or your view, or smoothly move. I mean, for example, you have a lots of scene and you don't need to see all of the details. This is level of details based on the camera distance. You can select your objects. Let's select your route, and you have to go to optimization mesh and generate the level of detail chain. It's things very easy. Okay, strategy, you have to decimation strategy to the target or to the quality. Don't use the quality, use target, because we don't need to decimate it very accurate, but just we want to reduce the polygon. I ignore the UV. I don't have a UV. Protect topology, no, because I don't have holes and something like that, because it's not important. Level of details 1, 2, 3. You can add 3. For example, it means 50%, 15%, reduce the polygon, then 25, and then you can see level of details if you want. And then you can add if you want. You can see here, for example, 10. You can see level 1, 2, 3. If we are go very far from our camera, it will be to the 10% reduce of polygon. Just execute and waiting for generate LOD, and done. Okay, and if you're going to 3, you can see we have level of detail number 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, for example, 0, this is a main object, but don't change them, because you have to directly export it in your game engine, and the game engine does everything for you. Do not, I just want to see what happened here. You can see it. It's the full polygon, it's a half polygon, 25 and 10. You can see decimate the. For example, if I go far from the camera, you can see you don't need to see full polygon. You can see this. And if you have less polygon in your game engine, your game play smoothly. And it's very important. So this is a level of detail. You can create that. But don't move them like this and export exactly this. The game engine handle that for you.